Alright, I'm at 145 Harvest Way in Elyria. The customer called in to have these high grass areas reseeded. She doesn't like what's growing here. I don't know if that's a type of fescue or it looks sort of like it could be gooseneck. Either way, she does not like it and wants it taken out. These areas here, I've had this in my grass and I literally just had to pull it by the stalk. So these areas here, if we can do that. These areas here, if we can just dig it out and we'll regrade this. It seems a little high and reseed it. There's a couple down here. All through here as well. This we can just dig up over by the driveway too. Put down fresh topsoil. And then a couple areas too. Through here. I don't see... That's not really anything. Actually... Yeah, if we can touch this area up too, we'll have the material. And then I don't see any over here. This area all the way down, we can touch this up too and reseed it. And all through here is pretty bare. You can touch that up as well.